Welcome to Art Manifest Diary. Today, we're making a fortune teller, a simple emotional healing tool. All you need is one square piece of paper and a pen. That's it. Of course, if you want to make a fancier version, you can also prepare colored paper or color pens to decorate it later. Before we learn how to fold anything, I want to show you exactly how this healing fortune teller works. Step 1. Ask yourself, how do I feel right now? Let's say the feeling that comes up is lost. The word LOST has 4 letters, so we move the fortune teller 4 times. Step 2. Ask, what is making me feel lost? Sometimes clearly naming the reason helps you understand yourself and makes the emotion feel lighter. But you are also allowed to say, I don't know. Step 3. Rate it from 1 to 10. How lost am I? Let's say the answer is 5. So we move the fortune teller 5 more times. Step 4. Ask, how many more days do I think I'll stay in this feeling? Maybe the answer is 6 days. So we move it 6 more times. Step 5. Now you can choose which side you want to open, left or right. Then choose top or bottom. Let's say I choose left and top. The message I get is, sometimes quietly listening to your own heart reveals that the answer is already within you. I sit with this message for a moment, and I can feel that it actually helps. Now that you understand how it works, let's make your own emotional healing fortune teller from scratch. Please take your square paper, place it on the table in front of you, and let's begin folding. Step 1. Fold the base structure. Place your square paper flat on the table. Fold the paper in half to make a rectangle. Press the crease gently. Rotate the paper. Fold it in half again to make another rectangle. Press the crease and open it up. Now your paper has a clean plus sign crease in the center. Fold each corner to the center. Take each of the 4 corners and fold them toward the very center point. Corner 1, corner 2, corner 3, corner 4. Smooth the folds so everything lies flat. You should now have a smaller square. 4. Flip the paper over. Gently flip the entire square to the back side. 5. Fold all 4 corners to the center again. Once again, fold each corner toward the center point. This creates the inner layer of your fortune teller. Now you'll have an even smaller square. 6. Fold to create the finger pockets. Fold the square in half one direction. Open it. Now slide your thumbs and index fingers into the 4 pockets underneath. And gently push toward the center. It should pop into the classic fortune teller shape. If it moves smoothly, you're ready to add the writing. Step 2. Write the emotions and messages. Outer layer, the emotions. Open your fortune teller to the outer layer and write 8 emotions, 2 on each flap. For example, happy, excited, calm, sad, lost, anxious, angry, worried. You can choose any emotions you want. Use colors if you like. Make it personal and expressive. Now let's move on to the inner quotes, which are truly the heart of this tool. Each flap will contain 2 messages inside, 1 upper message, 1 lower message. You'll need a total of 8 messages, and you can write any quotes that resonate with you the most. You might choose to place comforting, soothing quotes on the top, and uplifting, encouraging quotes on the bottom, or mix them in any way that feels right for you. Here are some examples if you need inspiration. For comforting quotes, your feelings are valid. Let them breathe. It's okay to not feel okay today. This moment will pass gently. You deserve softness and rest. For encouraging quotes, you are more resilient than you think. What you desire is already on its way. You don't need to be perfect. Keep going. Your inner light shines even on cloudy days. Once you finish writing all 8 messages, fold everything back together, and your emotional healing fortune teller is complete. Now let's play one more time. Question 1. How do you feel right now? Let's say the answer is anxious. The word ANXIOUS has 7 letters, so we move the fortune teller 7 times. Question 2. What is making me feel anxious? Sometimes clearly naming the reason helps you see yourself more clearly and helps the emotion soften, but it's also completely okay if you don't know the reason yet. Question 3. On a scale of 1 to 10, how anxious am I? Let's say you're at a level 3. So we move the fortune teller 3 more times. Question 4. How many days do I think I'll stay in this feeling? Maybe the answer is 8 days, so we move it 8 more times. Now you can choose a flap, left side or right side, and after that, choose top or bottom. Let's say you choose right and bottom. The quote you get is, "Deep within you lies infinite wisdom and strength. It has always been there." I sit with this message for a moment, and honestly, I do feel like it helps. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for your support. If you enjoyed this session, please remember to like and subscribe. Take care of your heart, and I'll see you in the next video.